Is it your frames, Sala, or is it your latency?
It is latency, it's not the frames anymore.
Okay.
The internet itself. So that's actually on the internet. Things like that. I don't think anyone's home right now.
Too much Netflix. Maybe it's too much Netflix. Not chill.
Do you have that phrase in the US, Sala?
Yeah. Didn't we invent Netflix?
I don't know. Yeah, the phrase I mean though.
Yeah, we use the same joke.
Because I'm, because I'm an old man and all that. A girl once asked me over for Netflix and chill, and I had to message Nakan and say, "What the fuck does that mean?" Because I had no idea what she was talking about.
Our inevitable victory, Becca.
Although, figuring out the intentions can be difficult because it's also slang for having sex, you know?
Yeah, well, that's the thing. So I had some girl asked me, like, she's like, "Oh, you want to come around for Netflix and chill?" And I'm like, "Oh, you've got Netflix?" And she goes, "No." So before I said anything else, I'm like desperately messaging Naked, going, I'm seeing this girl who's your age, and I need to know what Netflix and chill means immediately because this doesn't make any sense.
That's hilarious.
Oh, that's terrible.
I like how she's just said, like, no, I don't have Netflix.
It wasn't just no either. I'm pretty sure there was it was no with a question mark at the end, as though what the fuck are you talking about? And that's what clued me into the idea that I've missed something.
Yeah. That's so funny.
I will prove myself.
Naka memories.
I missed that it had nothing to do with watching Netflix.
Attack commences in 30 seconds.
Think you can keep up with me?
Alright, I'll switch to Micah Kellett. After Psycho died last time, I switched to Metal. He did pretty well. That's Hootsman, I think. Yeah, oh, they've really switched it up, man. Like, who was he on before? He was on Zenyatta before, was it? Hootsman. I think the last map was the beginning.
How are they switching it up now?
This will heal you. I will not be denied.
I'll stick with Kelly. That's some good hook.
A captured. Commence attack on objective B.
I guess I'll spectate people as well, since doesn't matter if I lag during spectating.
He did alright. He was sort of medium aggressive, medium defensive.
Surrender to my will.
Like a shot, Kalak.
My ultimate is almost ready.
I've switched to Psycho. Are you spectating blue only, Lopta?
I'm on Scorn. No, I'm just. Well, I guess.
It does. You can't have you can't have people from spectating that aren't locked to a team. That was a panic ulti.
Yeah, look.
Back to the drawing board. Game on.
I can record actually. I'll record.
Will restore you.
Captain Junkrat, ready to set sail.
I mean, I guess. Who knows what I'll be recording. I might have all the frames.
This has changed the player. Same with all the mate.
It's like a dome now. Bootsman on Lucio.
Hello there. I'm the delish. This will heal you.
不许走。
Strength flows. This is
Diva online.
Okay, you were right, there's 0 frames. I need to stop.
Is that only since you started recording? Or is that all the time now?
Well, yeah.
I need a surrender to my will. Get here.
up.
Oof, Kelly got assassinated.
My will made real. I will keep you healed. Get into position. Your strength fades.
Get behind!
30 seconds remaining.
My ultimate is almost ready. Time's running out. Everyone attack! No one can hide from my sight.
Watching your feet. You're powered up. Get in there. I have it.
Holy shit!
Victory. Play of the game. Triple, quadruple kill.
Okay, so the next maps are Hollywood or Blizzard World. Fuck is Hollywood Halloween? It's a lucky day. See ya.
Goodbye. Forever.
You can't switch in yet. You have to wait till one of them comes out.
Hey guys,
Hey, buddy.
how's it going?
Jim, what's up?
Not much. Just managed to get the kids to sleep. Just waiting for my wife to get home.
Oof.
Cool.
Oh, that's alright. It's all good. How the match is going? It's still on.
Yes.
Yep. We are 2 for 1 now.
We're 2 ahead. Also. Are you guys in game spectating or? Right. I don't know. You're streaming, right? Or are you YouTube streaming?
No, I'm just recording.
Oh, okay.
We've got Ladies Night and Fusion was streaming to YouTube. Yeah.
Fair.
I haven't even set up the stream key.
Sorry about that.
Fusion. Oh, there he is. Cool thing. Good luck.
Yeah.
After this game.
Hello,
ACT.
welcome.
Hajime
Ohayou gozaimasu.
Yeah.
Get out of here with that normie chat.
Please stop.
Yep. It's a tough one.
Do you want to know what's better to watch? That's me. Oh yeah, I did lose to Genji.
Call it out.
Though. The one time I did hit him, he just deflected it back in my face.
Oof. Was that the time I was looked out the corner of my eye and just saw you critical running away from somebody?
Yep.
Alright.
So we're just gonna go goats. So we'll have you on Brig, I think. Otherwise,
Dude, how
French will get play of the game again.
How did she know we were saying weeb shit?
I think she just assumed. Knowing Hootsman, though.
Come on, man. I'm not even a weeb.
Tell that to Maple Story too.
Dude, that game's legit. The amount of e-girls on that. I'm a prospector.
Oh my god.
I'm farming e-girls.
Are you gonna prospect
Farming
yourself some
e-girls.
jail time?
True. It'll be worth it, though.
God.
I'll take what I can get.
Oh, nice. Oh. Just on your computer and on your phone.
What's Agamemnus doing?
Are we waiting on anyone else?
He's drinking more water.
Or something.
What?
Metal doesn't have water. He lied.
Mention the toilet, you get a cool tank thirsty? What?
Have lots of water.
It's not confirmed until you hear it.
What the fuck?
Nobody went there, cool tank. You just drove that car right into that cliff. You do that.
I want out. Somebody sub me out.
I want it.
God. Cool. There we go.
R.
Yar, matey.
Alright, I'm bringing out the zero accuracy Hanzo.
Now I'm gonna make the donuts.
Donuts.
Nah, Torb runs towards that, man. You need Torb. Crush the tanks. Seemingly
Alright, so-
not.
Are we goatsing?
Yeah. Viva la goats.
He's a goat.
Question.
Here's a goat. Yeah.
I don't want
Question?
you guys to judge me for asking this question because
Judge.
I've been holding it in for a while now.
What's up?
Why is it called goats?
It's because the team.
Because they're the greatest of all time.
It's the name of the team. That's why it's called goats.
Of all time.
Commences in 30 seconds.
See, I had a very different reason as to why it could be called goats, but that one makes more sense.
Of all time.
Yeah.
Wait, are we being streamed? How does everybody know what we're saying?
They might be. Yeah, they're watching Serp's stream probably.
Oh, shit.
Hi guys.
What the fuck?
I've said some shit, guys.
Bitch.
All right, let's the comms. All right, let's push aggressive again.
Stick together. Very
Yeah.
tight.
Yeah, they're just straight on point.
Stay on point. Let's push in.
All right, Reaper behind.
Down
Behind you guys can take Reaper. Good.
Help Serp. On Ryan.
Oh, Ana low. Backside, back right, in the building. Your
Yeah,
building.
Ana.
Get Ana, in building, in building.
I'm on fire. Come on, try me.
They have a Pharaoh Widow now.
Okay.
They fire a widow? Okay.
I can switch to Widow if we start getting chopped.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're gonna, yeah.
Especially for the father. I'll put that bitch down.
Widow's sitting.
It's gonna send a ball at her.
Wait, what widow's back far back? Far south house.
Giving you a little extra.
On
Shields
nade's
half.
down. On Ryan.
Farah, still above us. Can we just kill Farah?
On fire.
Widow down.
How's Farah HP?
Yeah, on fire.
Farah.
Push payload.
I might be
Payload.
out.
Grab payload, yep, forward.
Bring you up.
I'll coalesce in the next fight.
My ultimate's almost ready.
Barrett left. On the top of the roof.
I'll take it in.
Jail.
Shield
Yeah,
down.
yep, coalescing.
Line off.
Push.
Farah behind us, careful for that. Nice try to do work. Nice good work.
Yep, keep pushing.
Rally to me.
Get them.
Big.
Punish.
Yep, Lucio, nice. On
Go
Zarya.
get it.
Making this
Can we get Zarya?
Yep.
She's inside, don't worry about it.
Yeah, don't worry. Ryan's backing her up.
Door guys, hold
a
on.
little extra.
Up with Frank.
Always have 3 on payload, please.
Alright, cool.
Yep. Just pull back a little bit. Pull backwards.
Call it the quick.
Watch for barrage.
Yeah,
Yeah,
barrage
they'll
is
be
definitely
coming
coming in.
Actually, I want to go Diva.
Shield's almost down. Just gonna.
Justice reigns from above.
Right, nice. Hit back to Ryan. Nice.
Nice, good work, guys. Good work. Just push in.
Coming above. Or behind.
Moves towards our desired
We'll win this though. Just push in the corner. Doomfist now. They got Doomfist.
Push to Diva.
That's lost.
Alright, so sorry, he's up my shotgun.
Punish dive.
I could use some healing. Rally to me.
Okay,
have
good.
no
Okay.
breath, yeah. I just think he'd be wary of that Junkrat. He builds it really fast.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, okay, okay.
I'll use my ult in this next fight.
Yep, sweet.
Hootsman,
Let's
that's
combine,
tag.
combine.
Are we all together? Hold on, pull it, man. Hold on. Please.
Well done, tank.
Alright,
like, we
combine,
cluster
you're
like-
combining Roadhog and Zarya ults. Whenever you guys ready.
No, that shield is there.
Behind us. Yep, and Ryan.
Where's Ryan?
Alright, let's
good
go,
work.
guys.
That's three. That's three.
All right, push, push, push. They lost their shield. Come on.
On a hook.
Nice, good work. Fire in the hole, careful.
Oh, again.
Up top.
Yeah, dude, he's gonna.
Sorry,
Wait, guys, wait, guys. That's it.
Yeah.
Easy to charge that. So we might not swap something else.
Maybe a
Either
Pharah?
somebody goes
I
like
don't
a
have
Pharah.
anything for Pharah, yeah.
Yeah, exactly. They've got no sharpshooters except for Ana.
Say no more, fam.
Cool. So now we've got one tank.
Oh, do we?
Yeah.
The rat's always in that top
How
area.
about I'll go Pharah and you go next fight. I'll go Pharah and you go tank.
James up there with me.
James up there with you. See Junkrat.
Someone's up top, I think it's Junk. He's on.
Yeah. Doomfist, Doomfist.
Yeah, I'm getting killed here.
Fist is down.
I didn't see where he went.
Yeah, he was right next to you. Yeah, he just jumped in.
Oh.
Who's swap
Yeah,
to tank? I'll
yeah,
take.
Oh, I changed. I changed.
Are you sure?
Yeah, we just need to get this.
We have 3 sub though. That's.
I'm a terrible Farah. You go.
Alright, I'm decent.
Okay, cool.
Farah reporting.
So we good?
McCree.
Committed? Alright, let's go.
Let's go right. Oh. We'll go to that. They've got my crew, yeah. So they know.
And that rat tire's gonna come in again. Be ready.
Yep, there we go.
Above, above.
That's okay.
I need heals.
Yep, yep.
That Junkrat's top there, so need to break that shield.
Help Kalak.
No place to go but up.
Ah,
Try.
30 seconds remaining.
Hello.
Killed it. Just got a cheeky pick.
Alright, we got. It's going in. Push, push, push. Watch out for their shatter.
I touched God.
Lucio's almost down.
Yep.
Break their shield if we can break their shield. Good point, good point.
I'm sorry, sorry. Switch a rat.
Alright, coming back in. Thanks.
Oh, I got trapped.
That's alright. We're gonna hold first point. Easy.
Yeah, man.
Okay.
2-0. Switching sides.
Yeah, I think we ran at that Junkrat a bit too much.
Yeah, definitely. That Junkrat. Either we should have gone maybe like, I don't know, Sombra. Or,
Select your hero.
As soon as we identified they had a Junkrat, we probably should have done something.
we should have, yeah, we definitely 100%. We had more time then. What do you want to do?
As it.
Because they'll-
Can I go Samba?
Yeah, sure,
If you want to go Sombra, yeah. Do we want Orisa, Ryan, or
we should go standard team shield comp if we're doing a Sombra. It's just whatever we prefer playing.
I will improve myself.
Psycho.
I could have used a little more time to get ready.
Do we want 3 supports?
If you want to stop.
Yeah, sure.
Oh wait, what?
No, it's okay. I'll go Zaya.
I'm gonna scout.
Yeah.
Ooh, nice skin.
Oh, thank you.
Alright, let's see how this goes.
I'm moisturized.
Very legion.
Hey, this too.
Are we setting up a choke?
Yeah, I think
So
we're
it's
gonna
Brig, Farah, Anna.
Okay.
Alright, let's pressure that far.
They're pushing him hard.
Oh,
They're
yeah.
pushing fast. Careful.
And Reinhardt. Oh, and Lucio.
Reinhardt.
Heal orb coming in. On far up top. Switch to Ryan. Push.
Fire fine on point. Fire on point.
Yep. Get far. On point.
Top.
Okay. I'm getting surrounded right now. I'm getting destroyed.
Brig hacked.
Take down.
I'm destroyed.
On our point. Good. Fire
Come on,
above.
full tank.
Heal ball coming in on point.
Okay, picking Widow for the fire.
Fire down.
Nice.
Zaya low.
On point. Sorry. Nice. Just clean up. Nice.
So they didn't
Alright,
get They didn't get a tick.
Awesome. We have coalescence.
They got Genji now?
For the next fight.
You got Genji now, okay.
Yeah.
Take some armor.
I got Earth Shatter for next fight.
Double
Yeah.
dive DPS.
Nice.
Nice.
Okay.
Nice.
Nice work. Yeah, sure, thanks. Let them push in so they got nowhere to go. Probably when they go around this corner here, around here. So they fully commit, let them fully commit into here. Hopefully. Oh, they're going small. No, here they are. Coming through this way. Let them fully, no, not yet.
On Ryan. Down.
Down. You guys got
Doomfist down.
On Zarya.
Nice work. Good work, guys.
Anna? Stagger.
Nice.
Nice work.
Did I hear a Genji blink or not?
No, he died.
No, he doesn't have it.
Careful, guys. You're alone.
Diva. They're running heavy dive.
They're going heavy dive, yeah, so careful.
They won't have anything.
Tracer.
Yeah. And then,
They did use Lucio and Shatter. Look out, Tracer. So they've gone this.
Heals in the room.
Got the monkey.
Genji what? Right?
Giving you a little extra shield.
Behind point right side, or
It's very far behind point, like close to spawn.
maybe we can stall him.
Alright, cool. Thanks on it.
Okay, so they've gone Widow now, yeah.
Alright, they'll be coming in. Okay, let's group up for rally, guys. On point.
Yeah, he's definitely got it. I'm 60% to getting my Earth Shatter, so just be ready for that.
Watch for Widow.
So they're going right side. Widow's jumping.
Widow's
Look out.
up.
Yeah, Widow's on top building. Somebody diver.
Balls up there.
30 seconds remaining.
So they're going top, I think. They're all going upstairs, I think. Nice
Widow's
work.
down.
Good work.
It's 3v6. We can take this.
Yep.
Get behind me.
I don't know.
Nice. Alright.
Monkey's going on point. Monkey's on point. Monkey's on point.
Got Widow.
Nice.
Cool. Good work, guys.
I killed their Widow straight away again.
Nice. Good work.
Well played,
GG.
guys.
Called it.
We
First
still have to do one more, right? Or is that us?
One more.
Bootsman called it, guys.
Thanks for backing me up.
Play of the game.
Oh, 2 in a row. Oh, baby.
Speron's doing all the work here, man.
This is a fat rise.
Nice.
I mean, just transcend the entire match.
That
with
ult
it.
was calculated.
And he gets the pick there on the right.
And he gets, yeah.
Bravo, bud.
Good work, guys. Well done.
Buddy, I do it for you.
Oh, they're all leaving. Is that it?
Is that all of it?
It's not supposed to be, right?
We won
What?
3 there. We won 3.
Oh, so it's best out of 3.
Best of 5.
Best of 5, but
Oh, okay.
yeah.
So we won, guys. We won.
Well done.
Nice job.
Ascend.
Well done, guys.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's
All
good.
around.
Well done.
Good job.